If you've been thinking about AI and really trying to get ahead of all your competition and your clients and be more efficient, more profitable, and get out of a lot of the day-to-day stuff that you're doing in your agency, I want to invite you to an event that we're actually doing in Austin, Texas. And it's only 30 agency owners getting together and building AI agents and systems together. So what we're going to do on the first day in the morning, we're going to build an AI agency operating system with you. And then you're going to break up into groups based on what your biggest bottleneck is, and you guys are going to build custom AI agents. Then we're going to have some fun that night. The next morning, we're going to get together and you're going to present your AI agent to the rest of the agency owners in the room. Then they're going to provide you feedback on what could be better, what you might not have thought about. And the rest of the afternoon, you're going to sharpen that AI agent and systems that you've actually built. So when you actually leave the workshop, the event, you have AI agents that are fully built, that is ready to implement with your team. So if you want to know more about it, go to forgeyouragencyahead.ai, and I will hopefully see you in Austin.
It's one of the few events you can go to where agency owners are willing to have their guard down and share things that maybe they wouldn't share to those in their own hometown or other things like that. It's a great event to learn, and everyone's willing to share information.
I would definitely recommend this to any agency owner that is trying to grow their business. Many times where it feels like you're a lone wolf back home, and in this environment, there's just so much knowledge in one room. It's absolutely amazing.
If you're on the fence about it, you definitely should do it. It's reinvigorated me for my agency probably almost to the same level as when I originally started it, which is super refreshing. And I was on the fence. I'm super conservative with how we invest, and it's got my mindset shifted to how valuable it is to invest into the company and working on it instead of in it.
Anybody that's looking to become more efficient, that's looking to learn how to inject AI into the business and scale and grow and just learn how to take the next level. Anyone with that kind of mindset should be part of this event. Check it out.
If you're looking to grow, how do you not come here and pick the brains of 50 other people who are doing the exact same thing you're doing? It's been priceless.